Hi, my name is Bledar. If you are here, it means you are not feeling your full power as a man. Maybe you are struggling with erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation. Maybe your finish is too fast. Maybe your confidence is low, your energy is flat, and your mind feels foggy. I get it. I have built this course specifically for men like you. I'm a psychotherapist, neuro-linguistic programming expert, holistic health coach, and a certified fitness coach and gym instructor. I have spent the last 8 years helping men reclaim their masculinity naturally. This isn't just a quick fix. This is no pills, no porn hacks, no more magic supplements. This is a real system to rebuild you from inside out, physically, emotionally, hormonally, mentally. You will learn how to heal erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation naturally, boost your confidence and stamina, rewire your mind and remove performance anxiety, regain sexual control and confidence, and become the strong, focused, grounded man that you were meant to be. And also you will get full access to video modules, natural protocols, movement, breathwork, natural medicine, or mindset training. Also to our private community and one-to-one support from me anytime you need it. No more shame, no more hiding, no more hoping it will fix itself. This is your wake-up call. Join now and start your total life transformation today.